How to fix Spotify error code Auth 16 on Spotify. Today guys I have to show you and I have the solution how to fix this. So just watch this video until the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, and then you have to go to apps or application. Then on apps or applications you will search just for Spotify. And when you found it guys, just open it like this and go directly to storage option. Then you have to go to the last button here, clear data, click OK and go back and click for stop and click OK. And now you have to go to Play Store, the last thing is in, and upload Spotify again. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, subscribe to our channel. See you in another video.